Events like this are important because it brings all the key players of progressive local economic development into the same room. And I think there's something really powerful to be said for local progressives to know that they're not alone in their struggle despite hostile national environment.
There are lots of ways that you can leverage the planning system to make sure that your borough or your town works for local people.
Community wealth building is about taking control of local economic development activities and putting the benefits, the opportunities and the wealth into the hands of local people.
The pendulum feels to me that it's swung very much towards benefiting the development industry, and that's why you need, I think, a community wealth building mindset to try and make sure that some of the wealth from new development stays locally.
We have a horrific social housing crisis in this country, and partly that's because social housing has not been built. There's just been too much market housing built, and so we need to make sure that we increase the amount of social housing so that those families can get that secure social tenancy that allows them to live, healthy, happy lives in the borough. Events like this are perfect for giving progressive councils the tools to getting that public value.
This is currently our largest scheme that we've done. It's 140 new homes with extensive amounts of landscaping improvements, social infrastructure, that people feel more secure, the places are more attractive, and generally it's a better place for them to live.
We've got a fantastic policy where we make sure we have at least 50% affordable homes on any of our developments. So we welcome private development, but we also welcome a kind of collaboration where we make sure that our residents are getting the most out of these developments. I think for a minimal investment and a bit of time and effort into having a plan about how development can support your local community, you can generate loads of investment, money and outcomes for your residents. It can shape people's lives.
What we're seeing after several years, we're seeing mental health benefits. People are now seeing increased incomes and they're seeing improvements in their everyday lives.
We don't want local people and local businesses to be displaced, and that's why on all of our larger commercial developments we insist on 10% affordable workspace to make sure that local people and local businesses have a chance to thrive.
I think we wouldn't be where we've got to if we hadn't had the support. I feel like the company has come a long way in the space of 3.5 years and might not be where it is if we didn't have this space available.
Being able to spend money on the work we're doing rather than a space is just incredible. Giving that space back to local people. I can envision a space like this in every borough.
Collaboration is really at the heart of this. The expertise is there, the will is there. The potential impact will be that we're able to generate a lot more income. It's what residents are owed from development.
This is wealth that should belong to people and not for developers. So advancing community wealth building through land and property is all about socialising that wealth.